Wagwan, beautiful people.
What's up, guys?
Hey, welcome back once again. I'm going to be teaching Edwin how to make some fried chicken. So stick with me. We're going to head to the supermarket, do some shopping.
This is the second time these two have been in the kitchen making some fried chicken. Let's see how they do this time.
All right, so I've got a whole chicken here that I'm going to be cutting up. Reason being that I've got to remove the breast from this chicken because I want to use the breast to make some sandwich. All right, so I've got two breasts. I've got plans to make two sandwiches, and this fucking is not going on because it takes so long to get it on. So, you want to focus on me putting the gloves on, right? Can you turn the camera off?
You can check out our video of how to remove the breast from a whole chicken. I'll plop the link in the description below. Like they're finally ready to start cooking.
Cut along here, along the bone, okay, and then you'll feel the bone as you cut. So I would grab it from here. Move your hand from there. Move your hand from there.
If you haven't done so, make sure you smash that subscribe button. You know you want
Turn
to.
it the other way now, and then cut along right along the bone. No, the other way, facing you, not opposite, facing you.
Like this?
Just like that, and then
He's
just
the regular boy cook the
knife
chicken,
right
though.
along the bone. See, the bone is curved this way. The bone is curved this way. So if you run it, if you feel the bone, there's the bone right there. You feel the bone. Run the knife right along the bone. See that?
That comes off clean.
Yeah. If you run it along the bone, you're always gonna get a clean cut, right? Remove this. Just bend this back. You'll expose the leg bone and the thigh bone. Just cut right through it. You're gonna wash your chicken. Okay. Some vinegar. Wash your chicken.
We're Jamaican. Of course we wash our chicken.
Okay, just throw that water off. We're gonna wash it a second time. Second wash. Now just pour the water off it. Alright, just leave that there. Get your container for your brine. Put some cold water in there.
Okay.
Okay.
Cold water.
Yeah, about half full. Okay, so the brine's gonna consist of what?
Salt,
Okay.
bay leaves, black
Yeah, talk to the
peppercorns.
camera.
Salt, bay leaves, black peppercorns, and that's it.
And chili flakes.
Chili flakes.
Alright.
Yeah, my first time.
So you're gonna start adding. Edwin's gonna start adding the brine to the liquid, and the brine itself is going to allow the seasoning to soak right into the chicken. So seasoning your chicken is one thing. When you season your chicken, you put it on the outside, and it stays on the outside. When you brine it, put some more. Okay. When you brine it, it allows the liquid will start sinking all the seasoning into the core of the chicken. Okay, and that is what's going to add a lot of flavor to your fried chicken.
No.
Okay, yeah, that's right. Some bay leaves.
This, I really don't know how much to add.
Just add a couple. That's fine. And we're gonna add some. We're gonna get some fresh thyme leaves here. Add some fresh thyme leaves. Just drag out a little bunch and just drop in there. A little bit more. Beautiful. Not too much. Don't kill it. Okay, it's dead.
Some more.
And then we're going to put some peppercorns. But before you put the peppercorn, you're going to make sure you crush them. Okay, so you're going to use this. Just put some peppercorn on the cutting board. Careful, because they're going to go, no, don't on the cutting board. They're going to go running away, so. Did you cut that big enough? Okay, that's fine. So just take this, right, spread them out, and just press down on it and
You don't
crack
have one
it.
of those thingies?
No, I don't have one of those, unfortunately. Just crack it. There we go. Here, cracking. Okay, an easier way to do this is to grab a little bit of amount, push it away from your body. Push it away from your body. Right? And it cracks them.
Or you can use one of those.
Oh, yeah, you can always use one of those. But I'd say, why don't you buy me one for my birthday?
Sure.
Or for Christmas?
I know there's one in here somewhere.
I'm sure there's one, but I'm not sure if we're going to find it. Yeah, just kind of give it a little crack. All right, that's probably enough. Just throw it in there. All right, so let me get you a spoon. I want you to mix that brine, mix it all together. Okay? But not only are you going to mix the brine together, I'm going to give you a spoon because I want you to taste the brine. Because all that is just seasoning. But you got to taste it to make sure that it's the right seasoning that you want. Because if it's not the right seasoning, what if you need a bit more salt in there? If you don't try it, how are you going to know?
Just add salt at the end.
Oh, no, that's not the same. All right, I'll show you. You just got to blend it up. It's just a brine. All it is water with, right?
This is like not going to kill me.
No, put a little bit more salt. Just a little bit more salt. All right, that's good. That's good. So we just mix it around. Oh, easy now. Easy, Chachi. All right. Yeah, just put it all in the brine.
Why wouldn't I just dump this in so faster?
Well, you can dump it in because it's faster, but it's just going to splash. And it's going to create more of a mess. But if you lay it in one by one, you assure yourself that it's not going to splash. Unless you want to splash and make a mess.
It's going to smell like chicken.
Well,
I don't mind the smell.
we don't want that. We don't want to contaminate the whole place. So
I think it might be too late for
just
that.
lay them in one piece at a time. And we're going to leave that in there and let it sit there for about 30 minutes.
So what are you doing now?
Cleaning.
Cleaning? Why are you cleaning?
I'm forced to.
Forced
You
to?
guys?
Yes.
Absolutely forced to.
Because we're dealing with raw chicken. You gotta disinfect.
People probably ate raw chicken before and lived. We're fine. This is ridiculous. Cleaning is ridiculous.
Eat raw
Cleaning
chicken
is ridiculous.
Cleaning is not ridiculous. Cleaning is what you're supposed to do. As you cook, you clean.
Keep your cooking area clean.
I'm cooking. Somebody else should be cleaning. It's just common sense.
Well, when you're cooking with chicken, you got to start cleaning up.
Right away?
Yeah, right away. Otherwise, you'll cross-contaminate.
Now you gotta clean all your utensils in your bowl and clean everything up to get ready for your next step.
That's right.
Right?
That is so right.
Okay.
Cleaning is believing. Cleanliness is next to godliness.
How would I know that's hand soap? How many? You're the only people I know have hand soap.
How many people have hand soap in the kitchen? The boy is using hand soap.
How many black
to wash
people
the
have
dishes.
hand soap in the kitchen?
Comment below if you have hand soap in your kitchen.
And you're black.
And you're black, according to him.
Ouch, Edwin. Now it becomes a black-white thing as to whether you have hand soap in your kitchen.
Even white people don't have that.
Everybody has hand soap in the kitchen.
No, never seen it before.
How many kitchens have you been into, Edwin?
Many.
Really?
Too many. To count. In fact.
You just keep washing.
Where's he?
So what are you doing?
I'm just getting the dredger ready for the fried chicken. Just adding some flour. I'm adding some cornstarch to that. Because the cornstarch, believe it or not, gives it a nice crisp. Nice flaky flavor. I'll just add another one just for the hell of it. Just because I like cornstarch. Where's
Oh, the cell phone comes out over there.
Interesting you should talk about the cell phone. Isn't that why you got fired? We talked about him getting fired and losing his job, I asked him, well, why did you get fired? He said, because I was on my phone. Wow.
I finished all my work.
No, you're on your phone. They don't pay you to be on your phone. Why are you on your phone?
Less than 30 seconds.
Less than 30 seconds. And what was my next question to you? Were you on the phone? Didn't matter whether it was 1 second or 30 seconds. You were on the phone. So you give your boss a reason to sack you. Right?
If they sacked me for that, they would look for a reason to sack me.
Well, I don't know, Edwin. I don't know. I don't know.
There was nothing to do in there. There's people on their phone all the time. I was probably the least amount of my phone out of everybody.
All right.
You need one dry hand, one wet hand. Okay, you can't mix the two of them.
So that's your wet hand.
Okay. Find an open spot and put it there. Okay.
And then you take it with the dry hand.
There you go.
Very
this
good.
way your hand
now
stays
you got
dry.
it. Just make sure you
And
don't
your
burn
hand
yourself
stays
with
wet.
that oil.
Okay, cover it with everything, Edwin. Get the flour and cornstarch all over it. See this naked parts there? Okay. Okay, there you go. Now here, let me take that from you. Okay, then we just dust off all the excess. Okay, and away we go into the oil. Dust off all the excess. And away we go into the oil. Put some more in here with your left hand.
Whoa. That's a production happening there.
There we go.
So you use your right hand, keeping all the wet.
You put all the legs in first. This way you get. And so this one in there. And then you put the leaves and still in there, man. Pay attention.
Whoa, guys, I wish you could see this chicken. I might bring the camera over there, but actually you can see it. That is so golden brown. Oh yeah.
So shake off all the excess. You put it in. Okay, let's not put any more in just yet.
So how's your experience been so far?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
I'm hungry.
Well,
hungry. Super hungry.
You guys walk with your belly.
it's looking good.
You guys walk with your belly, like. What's the temperature of this oil? These on here.
The babies are
Okay.
babying in the
I
background.
put some mayo. Can you grab?
Spice mayo.
No, I'm not gonna.
So
make it
we got,
spicy.
what do we got here? We got this
Jamaican
spice
bun. Yeah.
and we got
Cheese.
Ooh.
A cheese bun.
a cheese bun.
Yeah.
So two different buns that you're
We're gonna
preparing
put some mayo on
for
there.
this sandwich. And that is the nice crispy chicken breast fillet. Guys, if you ever smelt it in here, it is amazing. They need to stop picking on
Dijon
you.
mustard.
I've got Dijon mustard. I'm putting some Dijon mustard on this puppy.
This is a gourmet looking sandwich, guys. We might need to move this camera so that they can see.
Edwin, can you grab the lettuce? Put a couple tomato slices on here. Right.
The last thing needed is sriracha.
Oh, we have some sriracha.
We're gonna put.
Turns
not
out
too
we didn't
much,
have
just
any sriracha.
Enough just to tickle your throat a little bit. And I'm gonna take this one. Get me another plate there, Edwin. I'm gonna take this one. A cheese bun.
Whoa.
On a cheese bun with lettuce and tomato.
That looks good.
Move those.
All right, guys, you deserve your tasting. You've been waiting
Right.
long enough.
Fine looking chicken sandwich.
Is that better than a Dominican chicken sandwich?
Never had a Dominican fried chicken
No?
sandwich.
Edwin is from Dominican Republic.
So what's with the accent?
Because I like rolling my tongue.
That's good.
Right?
I'm not gonna finish it right now. Because we still have to try this.
Mhm.
And this. With this,
Hot sauce?
no, this is a
Oh, the
this
maple?
is a maple syrup
Mmm.
butter for the waffle right here that we have. So I'm not sure. This is really good though. Tasting.
You like the okra punch?
Whole
Guys,
different level from water.
we
Yeah,
just
punches.
made this okra punch.
Hey, I look at the music channel.
And if you think that this okra water that's everyone's talking about is good, well then
Check out the okra
you
punch.
need to check out our okra punch video. We're gonna upload it. We just filmed it tonight, so it's not there yet, but it will be.
It tastes sweet. It tastes green.
Yeah,
it pairs well with the chicken. With
yeah,
the
it really is good.
crunchiness, with the spice of the chicken. This will go over well if you're making fried chicken or anything salty whatsoever.
And it's healthy. It's
A
so healthy.
choice. Doing the Jamaican spice bun with the fried chicken breast. This is gonna be interesting. I don't know.
You go first.
I don't even know where to start.
You go first. I'm scared of this. To be honest. Really?
You got.
Good.
And if you see the spice bun as being overly sweet, well, let me tell you, it's neutralized with the chicken breast and with the spiciness, like I said, the saltiness.
Well,
It's a great
guys, if you
combination.
haven't already, make
Wonderful.
sure that you smash that subscribe button and join us for our
Honey
next cooking vlog. We've
butter
had a
right there.
great time. That's Zuri in the background trying to be great.
That's really good. Let's see. I haven't tried this at all. I don't know how it tastes. I was thought it was really good. I was thought there was some hot sauce in there too to make it a little spicy. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's see.
Just dig in, man. Look at this.
Okay.
How is it?
I will admit, it's so unhealthy, but it's so good. So
Yeah,
like
appreciate it.
butter, goodness, it's spicy, it's sweet, it's easy to make. It takes 3 ingredients to make this butter. It's amazing. We will all be dying soon of a heart attack or something. But
Hey, you're down by yourself. I'm not going with
And
you.
please turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss another video.
I hope you enjoy watching me and Edwin in the kitchen putting together this lovely fried chicken. It was delicious, and we look forward to see you on the next episode.